So hi there, I'm Julian Mack, Head of Futures at King's College Taunton, and I'm very excited to be on the roof of our amazing new sixth form centre. This is going to be a place where we're going to be able to interact in a more adult way with our pupils. They're going to mingle in our wonderful cafe, move through the building to all sorts of meeting rooms and learning areas and classrooms, and generally have a turbocharged sixth form experience. In the Futures department, we're actually going to go paperless. So it'll be the end of those prospectuses, a bit of a dated concept. Pupils will be using digital resources like Unifrog to search for the right course at the right university, and we'll be there in support throughout the week to help them make the best choice for them. And it's not all about university. In fact, many more of our pupils are considering things like degree apprenticeships. Fantastic, earn while you learn concepts pioneered by the likes of the Dyson Institute, who are able to give degrees out like universities. And these are amazing courses for people who want to mix vocation with studying. We also offer support for people that want to plan a gap year either side of university, either before they go or afterwards. Some of our pupils just need a bit more of a year of maturing before they make their decision on where they go next. One of the things we do in the Futures department, and this is through direct teaching in lower sixth on a carousel of skills, is try and help pupils become a bit more self-aware. So tuning into their values, what they stand for as a person. What interests them? What are they passionate about? What do they do when they're not in the classroom that gives them energy and interests them? We like to help them also tune into their personality. Are they introvert or extrovert? What type of careers are going to suit their personality type? And then we tap into their aptitudes, so those kind of God-given skills that you're just good at. It's very often an indicator of the sort of role or job you're going to enjoy if you can work out what you're good at and what you enjoy. And then the last thing is skills and strengths. What have been their achievements while they've been here at King's? We help them to actually record their activities and achievements on the Unifrog platform. So from the fourth form onwards, they build up a profile of the things that they've done well, enjoyed and been good at. And this really helps them when they come to write things like personal statements or CVs or job applications. And I guess that's the last thing I wanted to mention really, the importance of work experience. There's an amazing statistic at universities that those undergraduates who gain internships or work experience during their time at university are three times more likely to find a job after university than those that don't. So one of the things we emphasise here is that you should take time in your holidays, as well as relaxing and resting and having fun, to do some work shadowing or work experience to really build up a knowledge of what you enjoy and to have a story in your applications about actual real world experience. So it's a big focus for us here at King's. I should also mention, with this wonderful new building coming on stream in October, November, that we're going to have Futures events where we bring in some of our alumni, some of our young alumni who've trodden that path into the workplace only recently, to talk to our 17, 18-year-olds to inspire them as to how to do it and to give them a bit of a network to utilise when their time comes to leave. And we have platforms like Beyond Kings, which is an online networking service for our pupils to be able to connect direct with people that have been at King's before and are willing to help. So this will all be wrapped up in our exciting new building. Come and join us in the sixth form.